G'day folks, today we are going to go head to head with the GoPro Fusion and the Rylo 360 degree camera. We're going to test out the stabilization to see which one is better. So if any of you have been following the release of the Rylo camera just before Christmas, it has amazing stabilization, pretty well gimbal-like. You would almost think it is on a gimbal. The GoPro's stabilization was decent, but nowhere near the capability of the Rylo. However, GoPro did release an update a few days ago that greatly improves the stabilization on the Fusion via a firmware update for the camera itself and for the desktop software Fusion Studio. So let's do some filming and we'll see who is better. So yeah, folks, as you can see by the video, they're pretty close, but I would have to say the Fusion has the advantage right now. With the latest updates for stabilization, GoPro has really stepped up their game, and the Fusion is just amazing for stabilization now. The folks at GoPro did say that Fusion was going to have gimbal-like stabilization, and I think it's almost there. Well, folks, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. We're going to be doing different tests and different comparisons with the GoPro Fusion against some other 360 cameras over the coming weeks and months, so you don't want to miss any of that. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next one.